Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Do you know that almost 50% of your daily factory work might be pure waste? Yes, that's what lean manufacturing teaches us. In this video, we'll break down the 8 deadly wastes of lean, remembered as TIMWOODS, and how to eliminate them. Let's dive in. TIMWOODS, the 8 wastes of lean manufacturing. What is TIMWOODS? TIMWOODS is an easy way to remember the 8 types of waste that reduce productivity in factories. Each letter stands for a specific type of waste that adds no value to the final product and must be removed to improve flow and reduce cost. Breakdown of each waste. Let's break them down one by one with examples from the garment industry. 1. T. Transportation. Unnecessary movement of materials or garments. Example, moving bundles between distant lines or floors without purpose. Fabric bundles carried long distance. 2. I. Inventory, excess raw material, WIP, or finished goods beyond what is needed. Example, stocking too many cut panels that may not be used this week. 3. M. Motion, unnecessary movement by people. Example, operator bending or reaching too far to grab tools or parts. 4. W. Waiting. Idle time when people or machines wait for the next step. Example, workers waiting for fabric, trims, approvals, or repair. 5. O. Overproduction. Making more than needed before it's required. Example, stitching more garments before next process is ready. 6. O. Overprocessing. Doing more work than necessary. Example, double-checking something already approved, or using too many steps in stitching. 7. D. Defects. Mistakes that lead to rework or rejection. Example, wrong stitching, size mismatch, or faulty trims. 8. S. Skills. Underutilized talent. Not using people's ideas, skills, or abilities effectively. Example, ignoring operator suggestions for improvement. So remember, TIMWOODS shows us where waste hides in plain sight. Removing these 8 wastes helps improve flow, reduce cost, and boost productivity. Which waste do you see most in your factory or workplace? Comment below. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for more lean, IE, and garment industry knowledge.